from what I heard, that there's 9 members, but 7 of the 9 re-signed, but 2 of them are moving on, right? From what I heard. Let me know, chat, if you're watching this on YouTube or Patreon. I'm live. I record this live on Twitch. You should come through when I say I'm live. That's right, Internet Nathan. Appreciate you. Oh, damn, Internet, you still here? Yes, Mashiro, Yeso is going back to their company. I see. That is sad, though. But they did extend their contract as well, right? The other girls that are staying, correct? So there's still going to be Kep1er. It's just going to feel a little bit weird. They will join Limelight. Interesting. It was planned for them to go back to the company and be in Limelight. I see. So it was already in motion. It was just time. It was just time. Because most project groups disband. True. Under the same company as Icon. Oh, shit. Well, I think this is the last music video with all of them together, right? If I'm correct. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, whoa. Wow. Off the bat, starting off strong. Ooh. Hey. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Oh, she's starving though. She really is. Bro, that gave me chills. What the hell? I didn't expect to be like nothing in and then just vocal with like kind of almost like a voice effect as well. Wow, what the Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. It really does feel like magical. Hikaru! Sorry, that's my vibe. You killing this center. Let's go. Ooh. Hey. This is already pretty effing good. Hey. Oh wait, let me see that. Sorry, I was jamming out. I want to see the choreo. Like, oh, this might be one of my favorites of them already. This is our first listen. Ooh, the slowdown. That part right there. Ooh, and again. Oh, the silhouettes kind of remind me of like Sailor Moon-ish. Ooh. That's a synth, right? Behind her. This feels like the most amazing outro. It's like I don't even know if I would say an anime, just something like. Why am I being affected? What the hell? Is it because like the whole story of it, like their journey and everything? Wow. That was dope. I like that. I don't know if it shook me to the core a bit, like, especially like when it starts to like, I feel like it got serious once it like the power of friendship ass song. It does feel like a power of friendship ass song, like they're defeating evil with the power of Kep1er. And Bahi had more lines in this one, no? Iconic though. This part gave me chills. Ooh, they killed it with it. And then of course Hikaru's rap, I think. Ooh, I might have to show Hedge in this. My girlfriend loves Kep1er. She has like, I think she has most of their albums. They all look so good though too. Nah, she would have a field day with this. Woo. Bro, they killed it. Yo, put a comment down below what you guys think of Kep1er shooting star, and how do you feel about the whole Kep1er situation? I'm very curious about your comments as well. YouTube chat, YouTube, and if this gets blocked, YouTube Patreon. Guys, be sure to check out my Patreon. I usually post any video that gets blocked here on YouTube. I put it over there for free. Anyways, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream, put your blah 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 blah. Forget my rap. Thanks, guys. Till next, everybody. Peace. Yeah. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.